My name is Frantz. I just got my CDL with Driving Academy. I do my CDL because I wanted to open a trucking company business. The reason why I really like Driving Academy is the process that helped me to get to my CDL. So the instructor, they were very good, very helpful in the yard. They take the time to show us how to do maneuvers in the yard, explain to us, and they're trying the best, you know, to really help us to get to the point that we really want to be. Driving Academy was very helpful, and the instructor was the best. So now I can finally say that Driving Academy got me to my road to freedom.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.